DMC Homes Property Consultant for residences, and this is the model unit, 3-bedroom and unit. Approximately gross floor area of 83.50 square meters. So here, makita niyo yung dining area and composed of ano na po siya, 4 seaters. And here is the living room area and entertainment. And here is your balcony one where you can see na yung other neighbor niya. And here is your upper and lower cabinet na siya. And this is your provision for rain soon. And other side is provision for your refrigerator. And here is your bathroom area. You can see here the lavatory and the bowl and the shower area unit. Here is your provision for your laundry area. Pwede yung mga storage din. This is your and design it like this and the window area. And here it also for your kids, and they design it like this then. Study table yan, tapos yung window and the cabinet. This one pwede nyo i-design to ng and this is your master bedroom, as you can see here, and your entertainment area, your cabinet. I-design nyo na lang din po siya kung dito nyo ilalagay siya. And your master bedroom's toilet, the bowl and shower area, and the vanity area. Tama ba? And going here is your balcony 2. This provision for your aircon unit, and you can design this na may table or chairs, and your view is the amenity area. Okay. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po yung tour namin, and any question regarding this unit or this project, you can call me with my number 092721-80970, and also with my Instagram na and Facebook page, and please do like and share na rin yung aking YouTube channel. And maraming pong salamat. Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan, and God bless.